Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Tellonym application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the last button down below and then tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the general settings section and click on change language, which is the last option. And here, as you can see, English is the default option, but as you scroll down you can see that you have a bunch of other languages. So all you have to do is just tapping on the relevant one and then click on OK to change the language of the application. Then the app must be restarted. So if you want to restart, tap on the button OK and then the language of the whole application will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.